Good morning. Today, I'm going to share my analysis for next week, on my 8 favorite financial exchanges, on weekly and daily charts. Trend and directionality are bullish. During the week, the price started to rise again, breaking the upper weekly level, regaining some of the directional push it had lost, even if the movement was not particularly bright. The price has moved far enough away from the moving averages, so I will wait for a small retracement before trading. A first pattern could be the price rebound on the daily EMA 20, followed by a bullish candle, able to break above the daily level again. Another pattern for a more extended retracement could be the daily level, which is very close to the daily EMA 100. Trend and directionality are bullish. During the week, the price has made a decent bullish movement, producing the 7th consecutive green candle. On the daily chart, it is possible to see how the directional movement is in a rather advanced phase. In fact, the price has moved a lot away from the slower moving averages. To the advanced phase, I advise to operate with caution to avoid entering the market just before a possible retracement. For the same reason, I will wait for a small retracement before evaluating any signals. An interesting pattern could be the price bounce on the daily EMA 20, followed by a nice bullish candle. A more extended retracement could lead the price to touch the next level. This would allow to enter the market at a more convenient point. Both the trend and the directionality are bullish. During the week, the price attempted a rally, almost completely retracing the last day. On the daily chart, it can be seen that the movement is in an advanced phase. In fact, the price has not touched the fast-moving average for more than a month. As the movement is in an advanced stage, I will wait for a possible retracement that allows me to buy this trade at a better price. An interesting target could be the second daily level. Both the trend and the directionality are bullish. During the week, the price made a nice bullish movement, breaking away from the upper weekly level. On the daily chart, we can see that the bullish movement has lasted for several months, with short pauses, where the price has retraced. This exchange is going through a bullish phase. In fact, it has recently changed the trend that was previously bearish. I strongly suggest you to operate with great caution, in order to evaluate any effects of Brexit on the market. Both the trend and the directionality are bullish. This exchange has made a bullish movement, started several months ago. I advise to operate with caution, because generally when a trade makes a rather large directional movement, it has a tendency to undergo a large retracement. Therefore, any bullish signal should be carefully evaluated. An interesting target for a possible retracement could be the second daily level. Trend and directionality are bearish. During the week, the price attempted a fall, creating a new low but suffering a retracement on the last day. Like other exchanges, I will wait for a small retracement of the price, reaching at least the second daily level. A more extended retracement could cause the price to touch the next daily level, allowing this trade to be sold at a cheaper price. Trend and directionality are bearish. During the week, the price has made another bearish movement, and once again, very small. The lateralization is visible on the daily chart, caused by a sharp decrease in volatility that often precedes reversals. The numerous divergences on the MACD oscillator are always present, which together with the lateralization phase, indicate a probable inversion of directionality. I have stopped trading for several weeks on this exchange, as the movement is extremely extensive, and therefore, the chances of a violent reversal are very high. For this reason, during the next week, I will avoid trading on this exchange. Both the trend and directionality are bearish. The price has made an unconvinced bearish movement during this week, then, retracing much of that move on the last day. The movement is quite extensive. In fact, from September to today, there has been only a small pause in the descent. For this reason, I will wait for a small retracement before evaluating any signals. An interesting target for the retracement could be the second daily level. If the retracement will be very short, just touching the first daily level, I will still evaluate any bearish signals, but operating with great caution. Thank you, and see the next week.